Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add beat loops to your picture on the Motionleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Slide to the right side of the screen down below till you find the beat loops option and tap on it. Here you can find a vast variety of beat loops that are available, and there are some of them are only available for the premium users of the application. They are marked with this crown icon, so tap on the relevant one you would like to insert, and you can check out how it sounds and looks like by clicking on the this start or play icon in the right side down below. So check them how they look like. And select the relevant one. If you double tap on it, you can adjust the hue by the help of the slide, the RGB, and the saturation as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.